First, I will show you a test run. Once I press this one, it's going to run, as you can see, in time. Now it's downloading the image so it can upload it in the LinkedIn. Now it's uploading the image in the LinkedIn. Let's refresh. Then you can see a new image has generated a new post. Hello everyone, I'm Rochelle Pereira from Smartbot Automations and I warmly welcome you to my YouTube channel. As I promised earlier, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a LinkedIn automation that will automatically create posts and schedule them and post on behalf of you fully automatically without you lifting a finger. Now let's go to the automation. To create this automation, we are using this open source platform named as n8n, and if you want to know how you can install it on a server and run it for free with unlimited automations, check this video out. I have created a fully step-by-step guide how you can use it and hosted on a local server. And now let's go to the automation. This is the automation. First, I will show you a test run. Once I press this one, it's going to run. As you can see in here, it's now going to generate the content for the post, and now it's generating the image for the post. Let's wait. This is taking a little bit time. Now it's downloading the image so it can upload it in the LinkedIn. Now it's uploading the image in the LinkedIn. Now it's completed. Let's see how it's run. As you can see in here, this is the last post that I have. Let's refresh. Then you can see a new image has generated a new post. As you can see in here, it has this great image as well as these keywords, and it also included my booking link, and you can read this out. And actually that's very good. It's really hard to know that it generated by AI. Now let's go to the automation and see how it's working. First, as the first note, I have this schedule trigger and I have put three schedule times. The first one is 9 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. The next one is 7 p.m. And the thing that it happened in here is once we make this live, it's going to check the time, and if one of this time has reached, it's going to start automation and post. Actually, in my case, this automation is going to post 3 times a day. Think if you automatically post 3 times a day, I think that would be add so much value to your content challenge. The next one is set note. In here I have put the LinkedIn page name Smartbot Automations, and I have put 5 topics in here. You can play with it and you can put any topics as you want. For my use case, I have put how AI will change the plumbing industry and some information related to plumbing industry. And the next one is I have put tones. You can put any tone that you want. For my use case, I have put professional, friendly, and energetic, and you can add many tones as you want. The next one is the most crucial one. By this one, actually, this is a custom code. By this one, the automation is going to randomly select a topic from the 5 topics that we have. By that, we can make sure we are posting very randomly, as well as we can get more results from this. And I will upload this exact blueprint. By that, you can copy this one and play around it and build your own automations. And the next one is the most important one. This is the one that generate the content. Actually, I am using OpenAI from Azure, and if you also want to know how to get 5,000 credits, check this video out. I have a fully step-by-step guide how you can obtain that. Now let's see how it's working in here. This is the system message that I use. You can play around it and make sure it work for you. And this is the user message. In here I have put the topics and the 3 tones that I want, and I also put some examples how I would like to generate this post. And the next one also important. By this one, as you all know, and I also need to mention this one, when you creating these system prompts, my recommendation is creating the system prompt in markdown format, because these large language models use markdown format to get these ones. By that, we can get the more results. As you can see in here, when these large language models generate these text, they are generating these ones in the markdown format also. And when we have a bold text and other sort of headings and other sort of things, they are going to generate these marks. By this step, I'm removing all these marks to make sure that I remove all these marks. By that, it will not appear in the actual post. By that, we can make sure that the people will not know that this post is generated by AI. Actually, that's super valuable. And the next one is generating the image. I use DALI from OpenAI from Azure, and you can see this is the system prompt that I'm using, and I have put the actual article also. Then the next one is, after that HTTP request we get the data. A several set of data is coming. The only thing that we need is image URL. Because of that, I'm using this code to store that URL in this image URL field. The next one is downloading the image. As you can see in here, you might wondering why download this image, because we already have this image URL. The issue is, in LinkedIn, image content or images are requested in binary format. Because of that, we need to get it as a file, and by this it will get something like this. Then the next one is the LinkedIn. As you can see in here, I have connected my LinkedIn account, and if you want to know how you can connect, this n8n has a full guide how you can do that. And as you can see in here, for the text one, I use the text that we have generated from the previous node, and the media category I have selected the image. And as I mentioned earlier, this one request input binary field. As we already saved the image in this one, we can direct it like this by putting data, and that's the automation. And let's run again and see how it's working. As you can see in here, it's randomly selected a topic. Now it's generating the content. Now it remove all these marks. Now it's generating the image. And the other thing that I need to mention is, we need to make sure that images are more realistic as possible. Then we can get more result. In here also I have put to make these images more realistic. Now the automation has completed. Let's see whether it's updated. Let's go back, and as you can see in here, the new content has generated, and it also included some emojis, as well as everything looks perfect. And it also had my booking link and some keywords and hashtags, think like, cause LinkedIn has around 1 billion users, and only 1% of them are creating content. And think like, you can post 3 to 4 times a day. I think that would add so much value to your LinkedIn profile. And I hope you find this video interesting. And I will show another one. We can use this automation for any social media platform. As you can see in here, I have connected the Medium as well as X, previously known as Twitter. And you can do this for Facebook, Instagram, and any social media platform that you would like. And if you like to know how you can connect with these platforms, leave a comment and I will show you how you can do that. Because we can't directly connect these ones by adding our login credentials. We have to create these APIs by using APIs. As you can see in here, we use several HTTP nodes to do that. And I hope you enjoyed the video today. And if you found any value, please leave a like, comment, as well as subscribe. In the next videos, I'm going to teach you how you can automate your customer service as well as other parts of the business. By that, you can ready for this AI revolution. And I hope you're having a great day. Look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.